Your lesson today is talking about multiplication and division of rational numbers. Your objective today, I'll demonstrate my mathematical ability to infer that the rules for multiplying and dividing integers apply to rational numbers through class discussion. Let's go ahead and jump right into the lesson. Both times my brother and I went to the carnival, I borrowed $3.50 from my best friend. How much do I owe him? Okay, well, so I have $3.50, right? Okay. Now, it says both times we go, I owe $3.50, so I'm going to simply multiply that times 2. Okay. So I'm going to come over here and go $3.50 times 2. Okay, well, 2 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. I carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now remember, with decimals, I have to look at the problem. How many decimal places do I have in my problem? I have 2. After the decimal, here's my decimal, 1, 2. So I must have 2 in my problem, or in my answer. So I actually will owe him $7. Okay? So I owe him $7. Remember, I want everything in complete sentences. Alright, especially with story. Okay, so this problem, it says in 1 year, Melinda's parents spend $2,640.90 on cable and internet service. They spend the same amount each month. What is the resulting monthly charge or change in the family's income? Okay, so this is going to take us a little bit of work, so just be ready. I'm going to take $2,640.90. I'm going to divide that by 12 because there are 12 months and 1 year. Alright, I'm going to put my decimal right up here. Remember, if I have decimals out here, my divisor, I have to move them on I have to have a whole number out here. Okay, I don't at the moment, so we don't have to worry about that. So I have 12. Okay, now can 12 go into 2? It can't go into 2. Can 12 go into 6 or into 26? Yes, it goes in there 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. Okay. When we do long division, it's very, very important that we make sure everything is lined up. 26 minus 24 is 2. Okay. I bring down my next number, which is the 4. I use arrows so I can kind of help line myself up. 12 goes into 24 twice. Okay. So that is right at 24. However, I am not done, so I have to continue. Okay. So I come down here again, I bring another 0 down. Okay. It goes in there 0 times. I bring down my 9. Okay, it goes in there 0 times. Bring down my 0. 12 goes into 97 times. Okay, 12 times 7 is 84. Right? So 90 minus 84 is 6. Bring down another 0. Okay, 12 goes into 60 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. I'm left with 0, so I'm done. Now, do I have, is this a correct dollar amount? Okay, you probably should answer, or you should answer that it is not, because I don't have thousands in decimal places in dollars. I simply have it going to the hundreds. So if I rewrite this as $220, and now I'm going to have to round. Okay, so I look at the 5. The 5 is 5 or more, so that tells me I have to go up. So I'm going to have 8 cents here. So it's $220.08 is what is going to be charged to the family every month, if that's how much they're going to spend. All right. Now, all I'm simply showing you here is that the rules that we use for integers and everything are still the same with rational numbers. And rational numbers are simply numbers that can be made into a fraction and decimals that repeat or terminate. Alright? Now, make sure everything is in your WSQ because this is all the lesson is today, rather short. And I will see you in class.